Good day everyone. Welcome to my channel, Cute Music Collection with Educational Vlog. Today, I will give you information about this tropical fruit, the cashew apple. Cashew apple and nut comes the tree that produces the fruit, cashew apple and the cashew seed as nut. Cashews are widely consumed in various recipes, on their own, or processed in cheese or butter. In World War II, the derivatives from the shells of the seeds were used for applications such as lubricants, arms production, paints, waterproofing, and more. The cashew apple itself ranges from a yellow to light reddish color which can be distilled into a liquor or made into an astringent fruit drink. Nutrition-wise, 100 grams of cashews amount is about 553 calories that contain 67% of the daily value DV fats, 36% DV of protein, 13% DV of fiber, 11% DV of carbohydrates, and more than 19% DV of dietary minerals. While it has many benefits, about 6% of individuals have cashew allergies which can be life-threatening. What are the surprising health benefits? 1. It lowers blood pressure. Research has shown that nuts such as cashews can help reduce blood pressure levels. 2. It reduces cholesterol level. Many researchers concluded that the consumption of cashew nuts can help reduce cholesterol level as it contains protein, heart-healthy fats, and fiber. It has arginine also which can protect the arterial wall lining. 3. It fights heart disease. Since the consumption of cashew nuts have been shown to reduce blood pressure and cholesterol levels, it contributes also in decreasing the risk of heart disease. Cashews also contain vitamins and minerals such as vitamins E, B6, potassium, and folic acid that can help to fight heart disease. 4. There is red blood cell production. Since cashews are rich in copper which is critical in the metabolism of iron, the nutrients from cashews help with the formation of red blood cells. 5. It improves eye health. The cashews are great for the eyes as they contain high levels of zeaxanthin and lutein which are antioxidants that help to protecting the eyes. 6. Weight loss. Studies have concluded that individuals who consume at least 2 servings of nuts a week have a lower gaining of weight compared to those who consume nuts oftentimes. 7. It is good for the skin and hair. These nutrients help fight the aging process and reduce free radical damage. It also has a synergistic effect with antioxidants to help fight the oxidative degradation of cells. 8. It fights cancer. They also found that those who eat nuts have a 53% lower risk of death. On the other side, it is important to remember that consumption of cashew nuts should not be a substitute for cancer treatments. 9. It boosts oral and bone health. Since the cashew apples contain phosphorus, it can play an important role in bone and oral health as phosphorus aids maintenance of cellular health, protein synthesis, and the absorption of fats and carbohydrates. 10. Improve immune system. Zinc. In the cashews, it also has an important role where it helps strengthen the immune system against microbial infections and aid wound healing. So, my dear friends, please don't forget to subscribe now for more health benefits. Let's eat cashew apples and its nuts now.